Hey guys, how we doing? So we're getting ready to really get into the campaign of getting Princess Chelsea, which will be officially renamed to Best Day Ever. Oh my god. So that's going to be really exciting because we're going to be getting into doing the exterior renovations of everything, getting the boat painted, getting the boat sealed up, new caulking, new port lights, new hatches, new electronics. I don't know, a lot of stuff. So stay tuned. Keep in mind, this is a process that's going to take 2 years, and we really are excited that you're going to join us for the journey. So make sure that you go to our YouTube channel to like and subscribe us on that channel as well. Thanks for joining us on the ride. Every time I walk around this boat, I see more cracks. It's like,
you haven't even sanded yet. Who cares if you have to make one hole a different size? Because you're filling all this crap anyway. You know what I mean? You're going to make a new hole. So we'll go with what looks nice and what fits your need, whether it's the right size or the same size as this one. I don't think it'll matter. As long as they all match moving forward. Because, Tim, you know this. You pull this out, this hole may be compromised all behind this.
Oh, yeah,
so
for sure.
Who knows what type of hole you have.
What are they all for?
We're going to go in there and find out.
So we don't know for sure.
And what we're talking about is combining all those so they don't have multiple discharges coming out of the hull, but you have just one or maybe two. So that way you create a manifold system inside the boat, and it just makes the lines of the boat a lot cleaner without having the multiple.
There's less points of failure as well.
Lost a propeller.
Yes, you did. We have those, luckily, but I'm sure Pete's got you covered on that. Probably. They're doing your props, right?
They're doing my props.
Yeah, give them the thruster as well.
Okay.
Let them have it. Thruster, does the thruster work?
Yeah.
I good.
What about port lights?
You want to save them? You want different ones? You have all kinds of options here. When you're doing the rehab that you can change shapes, do whatever you like. There's a lot of them. They match the shape of the engine vent. That's the exact same.
Yeah,
shape.
I don't want to. I
Symmetrical.
don't want to get into all that.
Yep. So we're looking for new ones. We'll see what we come up with in that size. See what's available.
But if it's stainless, stainless is stainless. If I can polish
You
that
should
up,
be able to polish them out.
what would be the reason to replace them,
None.
as opposed to rebuilding those?
Corrosion on the inside, and once again, you can probably mini blast them and clean them all up. I would think those should all be salvageable unless there's something going on that we don't see where there's damage.
I think all these got to come out.
If they've had some type of impact or trauma, that would make it hard.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Yeah. All right. So I think right now we'll plan on taking each one of those out. Maybe getting new plastic.
And those are called a port light, right?
Yeah.
Instead of a port hole.
Yeah.
Why? What's the difference between a port light and a port hole?
I don't know. It's a great question.
Because when when you said port light, I'm like, what light?
Research and let us know in the
I don't see a
comments.
light.
What's the difference between port lights and port holes?
There you go.
Yeah, when you're asking for people about anything about holes, be careful what kind of comments you're going to get.
Especially if it's our friends.
Yeah. Natural. That's right.
Wow.
Recycle.
That's amazing.
I don't want all these little plastic
No, we do not.
jobbies.
I agree with you.
So all the
100%.
hatches need stainless. The hatch pulls.
We're going to replace every hatch, latch, hinge, anything that is not stainless will reduce.
Okay.
Light bezels, all that stuff.
Considering how it was when we first bought the boat, it's not bad at all.
Nope.
Well, you have this damp rid, so
That's full.
it is full.
They are working, that's
Yeah.
good.
I dumped them and replaced them already.
Really? Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
It has a very nice layout.
That's what sold me on this boat, was the layout.
Got a very
Isn't it a great layout? And it's like, and the newer boats just don't have this feel,
Yeah.
this comfortable layout
Newer
feel.
boats are very boxy, European,
wide open.
New York studio.
Square.
Second.
Yeah,
And I just don't like that.
rectangular. Yeah, this has a lot of rounded edges, which I think is really pretty.
It is really
I'm just saying.
All right, I'm gonna
She's
do
done a lot of stuff for me, and it all is just like beautiful. Like holy moly.
little video idea. So this platform area, trying to figure out how to configure as like a two-seater lounge area, perhaps utilizing some of the backspace if we take off the, what do you call that thing, arch, removing the arch, and utilizing that space as a more lounge comfort area.
You have the passerelle here, which is great for a lot of different reasons, but it does take up some room for the actual platform itself.
Yeah. Like, would you be able to put a chair here and hang out if you're wrapped it up with friends and stuff?
I don't know, because you got this thing right here, right? So if you're sitting, are you going to hit your head against that?
Yep. Tell you what, the kids are going to have fun with this.
It's going to be a diving board.
It's probably going to be a diving board. It's going to be cool. Are they going to have to redo this too, fiberglass?
Yeah, so the deck of this thing will be redone.
Very good.
And then the other question that's going to be a really big pain in the butt is this old fake teak. The flooring here, we took this off of the hatch that we started to recore right there, and it would not come off. It's like total pure plastic welded to the glass.
The heat of Miami melted in there.
Probably.
Melted it in there. So, yeah, what do you do with the flooring? What do you think we're going to do with the flooring?
I think we're going to take it off and... Oh, these bumpers are in the way. I think we're going to take it off and just paint it, and it'll be a painted deck, Grip-Tex.
Okay, so just re-fiberglass the flooring
Yep.
and just have it painted.
Yep.
I guess the one thing I hear about this
So it'll look
fake teak is it's so hot on the feet. I've heard rumors of that. So just because it'd be easier to keep clean and
Yep.
not as hot on the feet.
And frankly, budget-wise, that's I think what we can do right now. You can always go back and add teak to it later.
I mean, fake teak is very pretty. I like how it looks. It looks rich, but yeah, and it's not gonna last forever. Okay, sounds good.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
Well, of course it's going to be great. It's gonna be great.